Alright, so this is the long blade on the Scion XA. Alright, so looks like it's got this that you could squeeze together and it pops up. So let's get it on. Okay, so on mine's this little tab here, you pull it outwards and then you push the blade down. And then it slides out like this. And the new blade this way, I believe. That's one. Get this one going. All right, same thing here. Squeeze this and it pops up. Cool thing is it's got this little blade protector, this little green blade protector. See? So you're supposed to remove that. I'll remove it after I put it on. This comes up. Pull this outwards, slide this down. Okay, I had to use two hands because I don't want to break my windshield. This bad boy goes on like this. And up. And done. Fits nice. Very nice. I'll pull off these little green tabs when it actually tomorrow. Alrighty, there you go. Wiper blade replacement done. All right, I got this from from Amazon. It's for the rear wiper blade on the 06 Scion XA. Let's get started. This one was expensive. Just popped this off. Took the whole blade out. So I just pulled this out. Same thing with the top. Pull it out like that and then just start working it slowly off. And there you go. All you had to do was remove this piece. And after you remove it, then it allows the wiper blade to fully sit at this position. Okay, so this wiper is pretty simple. There's nothing for you to mess around with here. It just takes force. So see how it's straight? Just bend it like this, and I will just pull it from here. And you just pull it towards you, and it'll come out. See that the little part right there behind my, the little part back there, that little part right there. it just swivels and it just pulls out. So that's pretty cool, pretty basic. And then when you put the new one in, it just goes in like so. See how it just slides in? You just turn it to pop it in place. So it just goes in like this. Now you gotta make sure this direction is correct. So you gotta have this little area right here, so that it'll clear this area up here in the same way. So. Done. There you go. And I just pop this little thing back on. Little cover here. There you go. All done. Now it's like you can't even tell it's been tampered with, and now that that's back in its place, it won't allow the wiper arm to come all the way up.